I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A reinforcing shot of colder air from high pressure building south keeps those highs in the upper 40s to the low 50s in much of Nebraska tomorrow. The 50s for southwest Nebraska and Kansas. Low humidity and northwest wind gusts of up to 30 keep the fire weather concerns high. Lows in the 20s result in hard freezes for both tonight and tomorrow night. Our highs moderate for Sunday and Monday, but are still slightly cooler than normal in the upper 50s to the low 60s. Rain chances return from Monday through Thursday. Right now, the favored days for widespread rainfall are Tuesday and Wednesday. Forecast rain amounts are trending lower for Nebraska, with most areas currently expected to see 1/10 of an inch to a half inch. Southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas favored to see 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches. Southern Kansas could see 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain. Our highs cooling to the 50s for Tuesday and Wednesday before the 60s are back by Thursday. The long-term forecast does not really warm up either. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are likely to be colder than normal Wednesday through the first 4 days of May, especially the mid to late part of next week. Above normal rainfall is anticipated the mid to late part of next week in Nebraska and Kansas. Rain chances then drop to near normal to slightly below normal next weekend through May 4th. For the month of May, a typical month is expected for Nebraska and Kansas with near normal temperatures and near normal precipitation. You can see those maps on our KRVN Facebook page. Soil temperatures 4 inches down at 7 this morning, mostly in the low 40s. Soil temperatures are as low as the upper 30s from North Platte and Ogallala to north central Nebraska. Mid to upper 40s for soil temperatures are in far southeast Nebraska, along with much of central and eastern Kansas. Soil temperatures in the low 50s over far south central and southeast Kansas. Key weather factors influencing the markets include snow slowly melting in the northern plains, cold air building into the Corn Belt, and the chance of good rains in western areas of the southern plains. Heading into the weekend, frost and freezes should occur as far south as the Central Plains and the Tennessee Valley. Additional frost and freezes may occur next week, possibly extending as far south as the northern panhandle of Texas. Early next week, a new storm crossing the southern U.S. has the potential to deliver drought-easing rain across the southern half of the plains. Early estimates indicate as much as 1 to 2 inches of rain could fall across portions of the central and southern plains. The rains in the western areas of the southern plains, though, will only have a small impact on the strong drought. Towards the northern plains, well below normal temperatures the rest of the month are unfavorable for field work and planting, but are slowing the melt of the snowpack to reduce flooding. Brazil had some good rains for the second crop corn this week, but the forecast is now indicating drier weather as the west season rain diminishes. Southern Brazil may see limited rain next week. I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather.